Apple releases updated iOS 17 Beta 4 and also iOS 17 Public Beta 2. Today we will talk about what's new in this update and should you install it. My name is Maxim, let's go. First of all, let's talk about the size. If you're updating from the first public beta or from iOS 17 Beta 4 first edition, the size will be about 500 MB. Also, Apple released some another new betas such as macOS and iPadOS. If you'd like to know what's new in this iOS update, it's pretty simple, but there are no new major updates. Apple simply changed the build numbers, so you received a new developer beta and a new public beta. I installed it on my iPhone 14 Pro and it's working pretty same as developer beta 4 that was released last week. So if you are running iOS 17 some developer betas right now or iOS 17 public beta, you should update to this version, it's okay. If you are running iOS 16, yet I'm not pretty sure that you need to update to iOS 17 beta. In my opinion, you should wait the release, which will come in September. So this is new update of iOS beta. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and of course let me know in the comment section below which iOS version you are running right now. And finally, have a good day. Bye.